Similar to going to class, completing assignments may seem obvious. After all, completing assignments is the expectation in any class. Also similar to going to class, it is seemingly a simple rule to learn. However, you would be amazed by how many college students do not complete assignments because they do not think they are important. Every assignment is important. That is why it is assigned. Read every word of every reading assignment. Complete every problem of every homework assignment, and follow instructions on every written assignment. Doing so will improve your learning in the class and your grade. There are several strategies for completing assignments. When reading, make sure you are reading actively, not passively. Think about what you are reading and recognize how it relates to the course content. Avoid passive reading, merely reading the words without processing or understanding them. Far too often, college students read pages and pages of material without understanding or remembering anything they have read. Active reading can be enhanced by using a textbook marking system. Highlighting, underlining, and making notes in the margin are essential to understanding college text and invaluable when reviewing and studying material you have previously read.